Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've always wondered whether I'm a creative person or whether I'm just plain logical. My background is in computer science, and ever since I was small, I was really looking to solve problems, doing scientific projects, and I really loved math when I was younger. But when I grew up, I sort of moved away from that space, and now I'm wondering, am I really creative, or did I just develop this skill over time? So in this video, you will actually get to see how I began my lettering journey. Back in 2014, I had a really rough patch at work, and it compelled me to actually try different things and explore on different mediums and to see whether I can actually do something else other than work. And I've spoken to different calligraphy friends and different creative friends, and I've realized that at one point in our lives, there will be a fork in the road, there will be a quarter life crisis that we will all get to experience. It may be early, it may be later in life, but through these experiences, we actually dive deeper and see whether we are meeting our own purpose in life. And that's part of why I was compelled to try different things at that point in time. And I was lucky that I was given the opportunity to look into myself and explore the different options available to me. In 2014, I was just doing things based on what catches my eye. I started by copying other artists and learning the different styles as I went. And there was really no direction at all, and I just explored different styles. That's it. I just did what felt nice, and I just did what felt natural, and I was easily bored, so I would tend to try a lot more different things. Through 2015 and 2016, my style has started to evolve into a different direction. From a more structured lettering approach and from a more traditional calligraphy style, I ventured into freer strokes and more organic movements, and that's when I actually fell in love with brush lettering. So as I'm flipping through these pages, you'll see that in 2017, I started exploring a different medium, and that's the black and white color scheme. And that's when my friend Mai actually nudged me into the chalk lettering direction. And that continued until the following year when I decided to fully embrace chalk lettering. And here I am now. It has been my niche, and that's where I'm kind of positioning myself in here in Singapore. In 2018, which was last year, I started developing my own identity and finding that people respond and resonate with what I do, and I became more comfortable in sharing my chalk work. And now in 2019, I'm still doing chalkboards, and I love it, and I love to share my chalk work with other people, with different brands and establishments, and I can't wait to see what 2020 brings me. From 2014 up to now, it's been a terribly long process to get to where I am, and I can say that I finally found my style. I know it might change down the road, but I believe that this is something that resonates with me, and I'm really happy about scrolling through my sketchbooks made me a bit nostalgic, and I realized that I haven't really been exploring that much anymore or playing much. When we start as artists in what we do, we try different styles, we see what makes us happy. But nowadays, because you tend to think about other people more, you want to satisfy the clients, or you want to show what people want to see in your Instagram feed, and then we tend to forget about how fun lettering is, or how fun our creative passions are. And at this point, I just want to feel being a kid again. It's fun being a kid. You're not limited with whatever is right in front of you. You tend to think outside of the box, and you just draw. You basically just doodle on this sheet of paper, and just do what you do. You don't care what other people think. So looking through the past, can I say that I'm actually a creative person? I believe so, because I wouldn't get here if I am not really a creative person. But I think there's a lot of ways to improve still, and there's a lot of things that I need to work on, definitely. But believing is winning half the battle. So yeah, if you're not sure yourself, just believe that you're creative and you'll get there too. Browsing through my old work still make me cringe a lot of times, but it is what it is. We all came from somewhere, and we will all go somewhere in the future. So don't be too hard on yourself. It's mostly a reminder to myself as well. Thanks for looking through the past with me. I hope you can take something out of this video and apply it to your own craft. And do let me down in the comments below, how long have you been lettering, or where you are now in your journey, and yeah, let's get to know each other better, and I hope I can help you further. If you have any content that you'd like to see on this channel, do comment down below. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. To stay updated with future videos, click on the bell icon down below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.